I'm JoAnn Burnett, and I am teaching webmetrics and SEO, search engine optimization, for the program. And my background is heavily in the technology side of online marketing. I have done, I've had a business for over 20 years in consulting for online marketing, web development, search engine optimization, all kinds of paid advertising, keyword research, and all of that good stuff that makes it work in the real world. So, and I am an alumni of the program, so I'm very committed to the IMC program. It's been a wonderful addition to my education and has expanded it a whole lot. I'm still a student. I'm getting a doctorate now in a similar field. And I guess I should also add that I am a full-time business technology instructor at WVU Potomac State College, so I teach undergraduate classes as well in business and in marketing. I have a passion for cooking. It's like a hobby, you know, I love cooking, I love creating new recipes, and I love food, and I love, you know, Mediterranean food and all kinds of food. But usually very healthy and organic. And I am currently leading a student organization at the college for undergraduate students called the PSC Cooking Club. And so we meet every Wednesday and they choose what we're going to, they vote on what we're going to cook. And we take over one of the kitchens at the college and we cook, and they love it. They eat and they learn basic stuff in the kitchen. So it's great. It is an excellent program. I've been to a lot of online courses, and the IMC program is by far the best, the most organized, the most comprehensive as far as the topics, and the instructors are top-notch. I love the way the program is done. It's exciting for me to be able to share everything from my background in the world with the students, so I have a lot to contribute. And I love seeing the next generation of students start on this path. I enjoy the creativity part of it, the adding to the content, the constant learning, because I'm constantly learning to be able to add more to the classes. The interaction with the students, I learn a lot just from all of the wonderfully diverse students that we have all over the world. It's really interesting and exciting. Every semester, you know, every class is different. And I like the fact that I am building, you know, lifelong relationships with these students, so we stay connected, you know, after the classes, and I often become a good reference for them. So we stay in touch. Well, I find that there are plenty of examples from my experience that I can offer to the students to contribute to our discussions in the discussion board, and I can help enhance and further those conversations and give them real world examples applied to different types of businesses and organizations that I've worked with. And I really enjoy meeting with the students individually, online by Zoom as much as I can. That's the first thing that I ask them to do when we start a course, is to set up time with me just for a few minutes to say hello and put a face to a name right away and get to know why they're here and what they're looking to do. My favorite place in the world, well, the only place that I've been outside of the US is Italy, and I was there exactly a year ago at this time. In the Venice area, and I just loved it. Now, if I had a place I would go back to, it would be to that area.